English speaking course.
We did a good job.
Where are you going this weekend?
I'm going to Santiago with my son.
Oh, it's been so long since I've seen him. How is he?
He's good. Recently, he's been so busy.
Really? My daughter Ella is also busy.
Where's she working? As I remember, she is working in a logistics company, right?
Yeah, it is one of the biggest logistics companies in this state.
Well done. Jack is a freelancer, but I don't know why he always has big projects. What a busy boy. You know, some days he stays up till 2 a.m. It's not good for his health.
My Ella always knows how to arrange her time to match her deadline. She sets her time very well.
Jack is also good at time management. However, sometimes projects come up urgently.
Yeah, I understand. He does a great job. Do you remember when they were kids? How lovely they were.
Yeah, Jack was always on time and got high scores.
What an intelligent boy.
Wasn't Ella clever?
Thanks. Yeah, she usually achieves scholarships. Now, she's still the same. She always gets awards from her company.
That's great. What are the awards?
Best staff of company annually.
Good job.
Recently, she has been promoted to head of her department.
Wow, that's remarkable.
Yeah, she did a great job.
Recently, Jack has a painting that was exhibited in an international exhibition. I really love that painting.
What is the museum?
The Central Lotus. That is a really famous museum. His painting is hung near the main gate, so anyone can see it from outside. I always knew he draws very well.
It's so-so. I think Ella does a harder job. Not everyone can have the opportunity to work in her company.
Does she have anything to show to the world like Jack? She is great, but I think Jack did better.
No way. How can you say that?
I'm just telling you the truth.
Come on. You are just jealous of my daughter.
Absolutely not.
I think we shouldn't meet each other anymore. You always say bad things about my daughter.
Come on, Olivia. I told you the truth. If you don't want to talk anymore, it's okay.
Mom! Hi, Aunt Clover.
Oh, hi, Ella.
My dear, why are you here?
I have a meeting over there, so I came by to have a cup of coffee. This is Linda, my coworker.
Hi, I'm Linda. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Linda. Ella has told me so much about you.
Really? I hope she said all good things.
Absolutely. This is Clover, my friend.
Hi, Mrs. Clover.
Hi, Linda. Sit down. We are talking about you, Ella.
What? About me? There's nothing special about me. No. She is the most beautiful girl in my office. She has beautiful eyes. Thanks for your compliments.
I heard you've been promoted to the head of the department. Is that right?
Yeah. She is my leader at the moment.
Is she a great leader?
Yeah. She always helps me solve difficult situations. How supportive she is.
We do a good job. You must be really busy, right?
Yeah, a little bit. Linda always helps me.
Do you feel stressed when you have to lead a big group?
No, not really. I'm just a leader of a small team.
I thought it was a big department, isn't it?
Absolutely not. I have to try harder. Yeah, our team just has 2 members, Ella and I. She's the leader.
Oh, my. I didn't know that.
how small it is.
We're going to have more members, but at the moment, there are only 2 of us. Ella, we need to go now. If not, we may arrive late. Okay. Bye, Mom. Bye, Aunt Clover.
Bye. Team of 2 people. I think they're going to have more people join their team. It is going to become a big department.
Mother, nice to see you here.
Jackson, I thought you were in the exhibition now.
Yeah, I'm on the way there. I saw you and Aunt Olivia here by chance, so I just wanted to come say hi to you. Nice to see you here, Aunt Olivia.
Hi, Jackson. Long time no see. You must be super busy.
Yeah, kind of. How are you?
I'm wonderful, thank you.
How about Ella? Is she okay?
Yeah, she is great. Thanks for asking.
Mom, you should invite Aunt Olivia to our home sometime. I heard she cooks beef nicely.
That's very kind of you.
Yeah, one day. Olivia is also busy. It's hard to set up a date like this, you know.
Should I come to your exhibition? Your mom told me that it is an international exhibition, so I'm so excited.
No, maybe my mom is wrong. It is a small exhibition of old students at my art university, though you are always welcome.
Oh, I didn't know that, sweetie.
Yeah, you should come with Aunt Olivia. I'm always there from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Of course. What a nice guy. What is your painting about?
The painting is about sunset on the beach.
It is hung on the main gate, isn't it? Your mom said it is able to be seen from outside.
Not really. It's on the last corridor on the right-hand side of the exhibition, so it is a bit difficult to find. But if you come, I will be your guide there.
What a beautiful picture.
I need to leave now. Enjoy your day.
Bye, Jackson. Haha, the picture in the main gate. That's so humorous. Yeah, your son is the most perfect one.
Aren't you also exaggerating your daughter?
Just a bit. You bought the limited dress in Eva's shop, didn't you?
Yeah.
What a beautiful dress. I don't think so. It looks like last year's model.
No way.
Let's discover some ways of complimenting in English. Noun phrase plus is or look plus really plus adjective. My son is the most perfect one. Ella is number 1. I plus really plus like or love plus noun phrase. I really love that painting. Pronoun plus is plus a or an plus really plus adjective plus noun phrase. She is the most beautiful girl in my office. You plus verb plus a or an plus really plus adjective plus noun phrase. He did a great job. You plus verb plus noun phrase plus really plus adverb. She cooks the beef nicely. You have plus a or an plus really plus adjective plus noun phrase. She has beautiful eyes. What plus a or an plus adjective plus noun phrase equals how plus adjective plus subject plus be. What a busy boy. How lovely they are. Adjective plus noun phrase. Good job. That's remarkable. Isn't plus noun phrase plus adjective. Wasn't Ella clever? Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.